everyone, my name is Ava and this is what I'm cooking today. Maryland cookies. These are the ingredients: flour, sugar, sour cream, butter, salt, eggs, and vanilla extract. First step is to put in the ingredients and the mixing pot. It's important to wash your hands, everyone, before you cook. You can always ask a grown-up to separate the ingredients for you. Thank you, Mommy.
And I only have eyes for you.
Now we're going to bake the ingredients: butter, salt, and baking powder. And we're going to drop the ingredients in the mixer bowl. And first we're going to do the butter. It's slippery. Now we're going to put in the sugar.
The salt.
The salt. Now we're going to put in the baking powder. We're ready to mix the ingredients. Oh! Keep your hands away from the mixture. With the help of your parents, add the sugar little by little and add one egg at each time. Let me do it with you. Let me do it. Mom, let me do it this time. Okay, I really got it on.
No, you can go like this.
Oh, okay. Let me do it.
Dump it in. The whole thing. You can just have to do like that.
I did it! Powder cream. It looks sweet, like potatoes. Tell me when to stop.
You can stop it now.
We mix in the sour cream. Like that.
How about if you use this?
Okay. Yeah, I'll use that. Thank you.
I hold it for you and you can.
Keep your hands clean if it gets on your hands.
Wait, let me just mix it up for her.
No, let me mix it too. Ta-da! Look how I'm mixing. Now we put in the vanilla
Extract.
extract. It looks like that.
No mix.
Everyone, it looks like that. Now the parent puts in the flour and we stir it by little. Carefully look into the bake. Looks like cookie dough. Cookie dough. This is the baking sheet and we're going to put the parchment paper Going to fill up your little cup with dough and put it on your cookie sheet. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Wait. I'll help you. Wait, let me help.
Ask for help. Hey, don't there. I want to do it. Let me do it. To help you flatten the cookies. Always. Ask in a dot to help you put the cookies in the oven. Mommy, could you help me?
Sure.
Let me. I'm burning.
And now we set the timer
Now we set the timer
for 11 minutes.
for 11 minutes. Oh, so warm.
It?
Yes. When the timer beeps, ask a dot to check if the cookies are ready. Mommy, come on. Come on, girl. You must.
It's up here.